जनवरी 1950 को लागू हुआ था। आजादी के समय भारत के पास अपना कोई संविधान नहीं था, लेकिन बाद में डॉक्टर B.R. अम्बेडकर के नेतृत्व में एक संविधान तैयार किया गया। तब से लेकर इस दिन को गणतंत्र दिवस के रूप में मनाया जाता है। जय हिंद।
Principal Sharada Ma'am, respected teachers, all respected parents of our students and my dear students. Very good morning to all of you. Yeah, it's one of the most important occasions we celebrate in our school every year, and today it is 75th Republic Day we are observing. The entire nation and all the Indians, proud Indians across the globe, they observe this day and feel proud to salute our national flag, the Tiranga flag, and remember great services of all Indians, all leaders who fought for
Bharat Mata ki, Bharat Mata ki, Vande, Vande. ఈ స్పిరిట్ తోటి మన దేశానికి ఈ 4-5 పదాలు ఉచ్చరించి మన పూర్వీకులు ఆనాడు దేశానికి స్వాతంత్రం రావడానికి ఉపయోగించినటువంటి పదాలు ఏదో పార్టీకి సంబంధించినవో ఇంకెవరికో సంబంధించినటువంటి కావు. ఒక ఉద్యమ స్ఫూర్తి రావాలంటే ఏదైనా ఒక కట్టడం, మనం చూస్తుంటే ఎలక్ట్రిసిటీ వాళ్ళు కూడా తంబాలు ఎత్తేటప్పుడు ఐలేసా ఐలేసా అంటుంటారు. ఏదైనా బండరాలు
Of India from 26 January 1950, a salute of 21 guns and the unfurling of the national flag by our first Prime Minister, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, has started the historic birth of Indian Republic on 26 January. From then,
every year, it commemorates the nation's freedom from British rule. Republic Day is observed on honors the enactment of the Indian Constitution in 1950. On August 15, 1947, India gained independence, but it was not a republic until 1950. When the country's constitution was finally adopted and the nation was declared as a Republic Day.
తెలంగాణ జననీ జయకేతనం ముక్కోటి గొంతుకలు ఒక్కటైన చేతనం జయ జయ హే తెలంగాణ జననీ జయకేతనం ముక్కోటి గొంతుకలు ఒక్కటైన చేతనం జయ జయ హే తెలంగాణ జననీ జయకేతనం ముకోటి గొంతుకలు ఒక్కటైన చేతనం తరతరాల చరితగల తల్లి నీరా.
Discussing about Constitution. What is Constitution?
yes, I have plenty of knowledge in this.
You know the full details about our Constitution?
Yes, I have plenty of knowledge in this.
Woohoo! Then the series of questions are awaiting.
Okay, carry on.
What is Constitution?
Constitution is a comparative document that comprises a number of articles about the state, specifying how the state is to be constituted and what norms should it follow. But some countries do not have one single document that can be called Constitution.
Wow, very nice. Next one. Who wrote the first Constitution? Okay, I will help out you, Saishrita. Prem Bihari Narendra Zada was the calligrapher of the Indian Constitution. The original Constitution was handwritten and its original version was beautified and decorated by Shantiniketan and Nandan Lal Bose. Thank you, Bushra. Next question. Who are the authors of Indian Constitution?
Abba Gayatri, you are asking so complicated questions.
I will solve your problem, Saishrita. The authors of Indian Constitution are B.R. Ambedkar, Surendranath Mukherjee and B.N. Rao. The Constitution of India was signed by the members of the Constituent Assembly on 24 January 1950 in two copies, both Hindi and English, under the chairmanship of Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Wonderful, Rudra Kartika. What, Saishrita not answering any? One more question. Why do we need to make Constitution?
Oh my God, it is in my mind only but not coming out.
Okay, Saishrita, I will explain. We need Constitution to protect individual rights, establish a framework for governance, uphold the rule of law, provide stability, promote citizen participation. It guarantees fundamental freedoms and ensure accountability.
Awesome, Rashid Khan. One more question, Saishrita. Why Constitution is important?
Arey, this I know.
Saishrita, I will take this honor. A constitution is important because it determines the relationship of the citizens with the governments. It protects and provides basic rights to all the citizens of the country. It specifies on how the government would be elected.
देश हमारा है, हमको जान से प्यारा है, दुनिया में सबसे न्यारा है, सबकी आंखों का तारा है, इसकी मिट्टी की खुशबू लगती जहां से प्यारी है, कहते हम इसे मातृभूमि, यह प्यारी धरती हमारी है, अलग अलग धर्मों में भी तो यहाँ एकता हमें यहाँ समाई है, हम सबका है एक ही नारा, भारत है हमें जान से भी प्यारा। धन्यवाद। जय